Okay, this is video 29, and I was reviewing some of the older videos, and I noticed one of them, I'm not sure which one it was. I had told you create was the update. That's not true. That's I'm not sure why I said that. This is to initiate your object, to give it its abilities, whatever the object abilities are. Kind of like in Unity, it'd be the startup, or I can't remember what it is in Java, but they all have this. A startup that only runs once when the object is created, and the step is like the update, so it's constantly cycling. So just to clarify that, so this is always running. The step is always running. This is always running. This one only runs when the object is created. Okay. So, sorry about that. I have no idea why I said that. So here, we're going to add a collision with the UFO. So the shield collides with the UFO. And we'll add the code. Okay, so this is the shield. We're colliding, not the ship, but the shield is colliding with the UFO. So with our ship, we'll do the same stuff we did with the rocks. We'll say move, bounce, all true. And once again, if we're not moving, give it a little speed equals 0. Speed equals 2. Okay. And just like the other stuff, we're going to go random equals random range. We go 110. And this is going to be destruction of the shield. So what's going to happen here? Global dot shield points minus equals random. I think I'm being pretty fair about it. With other, the ship, speed equals 0. Instance destroy. Could have just copied this because it's pretty much the same as, say, if you hit the little rock. Instance create XY object. Whoops. Explode. Okay, so if you have your shield on and you hit the rock, that's what's going to happen. I'm going to reduce some of your shield. Otherwise, it's going to play out the same way as if you didn't have the shield. And we could pretty much do the same thing with the bullet from the UFO. Add event, collision, UFO bullet. Let's put that in there. Now, I think it might be a little different though. It doesn't have to bounce, so we don't need that. With other speed, instance destroy. We don't need the explode, but we do. Yeah, we do, because it looks good doing it like that. But I think I'm gonna have it hit us at a higher level. That's his bullet. So it should reduce a little bit more. Not more, but at a higher chance of it being a higher level of reducing the shield. So I guess let's give it a try. See what happens. Okay, I'm pushing the Z. Ram into it. Bam. Shield just got reduced. Let's see what happens when he shoots me. If he shoots me. There he goes. See, I like that. How when he shoots me and hits my shield, there's kind of an explosion outside the shield. Okay, come on, UFO. Uh-oh. And our shields are reducing. If you look at the top. Oh. Put the shield on. Okay, come on, shoot me. See that? See that explosion on the outside? I like that. Anyways. The next thing I wanted to do is add the warp. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's do that. So I think I'll do that in the scripts, game scripts. Chip controls. Put it in here again. Just call it script warp. We'll create that. Create a game script. Create script. Kind of like script scr_warp. And in here, let's see, what do we gotta do here? Okay, if keyboard check released, virtual key down, so it's close to why do we keep doing that? It's close to your moving button, so it should be a fast, easy button to hit. Okay, if I like the sound too. Global dot sound on script sound, call it sound warp, and it only plays once, so false. And let's go ahead and bring that in. Sounds, create sound, audio sound warp. There it is. Not streaming. And oh, we didn't name it. Damn it. SND_warp. And there it is. Okay. Okay, here with object ship image alpha equals 0. X equals random range. Okay, so this is going to be in the X, so we're going to randomly reappear somewhere else on the screen. So I'm going to go with 50 and room width minus 50. And then the Y will be, because it's a little bit higher, so we'll go 71, 72, 72, and room height minus 106. Does that seem right? We could probably go 50 with that. Why is it 106? Why would I do 106? Let's go with 50 and see how it looks. Alarm 0 equals 20. Now, alarm, where's my, in the game control. Oh, no. We're talking about the ship. See, we're in the with ship, object ship. So we're going to go to, which I don't have an alarm yet. Let's add an alarm. Oh, this makes him come back. Okay, that's good. Actually, I don't even think we need that. That doesn't even make sense. Let's see. Let's delete that for now. We don't need that. I don't think. I'll probably look stupid here pretty soon. But I do want to add some more here. If, well, we're working on the shield anyways, global dot shield on. So if it's on, we're going to make its alpha invisible too. With object shield make that big again. Object shield image alpha equals 0. So, because if it's on, you don't want it just sitting there while the object ship disappears. So, I think that should work. So, let's give that a try. I thought the alarm should... I'm not sure what's going on here. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't need that. See that? Yeah, but listen to that sound. I like that sound. Listen. Pretty cool, huh? And we can be flying along, and he keeps flying, which is cool. Bam. Like a Romulan. Okay, that seems to work good. Okay, I guess the next step would be to add our nuke. So, once again, let's get into our ship controls. You know what, I'm going to make a folder here for all these controls. Create group, ship controls. And we got your warp, shield, fire, thrust, move right, move left, and maybe I'll just leave that one on the outside. For this one we'll call script nuke. And we need to make that script. Create script. Script nuke. Okay. So this one's going to be another key thing. I think I'm going to use the X key for the nuke. So So Z will be for shield, X will be for nuke, and you can do whatever you want. You can put any key you want. And I will get into the keypad eventually here. Keyboard released, and we'll do that. ORD RDX. And I think, is that what I need? What am I missing here? Released. Keyboard check released. ORDX. Okay. Okay. I think when we do that, we're going to create a big boom. I'm going to call this instance create XY object explode big, which we haven't made yet. Okay, let's make that. So we'll go into our game object and create an object, and we'll use the explosion object. Actually, you know what we should do? Let's not do it like this. No. Let's delete that. Yes. Okay, where's our explode? Let's duplicate the explode. We'll call this object explode big. Okay. So here's our explode big. Let's make sure it took. Yep. Now, but we gotta change the variables in this. I think I'm gonna have to end on just creating this explode big. So we can get into this create code. Image alpha, let's see. I mean image speed 0.5. Huh. Okay, let's make it slower. Image speed is going to be 0.5. Let's make the image alpha 1 instead of the other one was 0.5. Let's see, explode count, that doesn't matter. We're going to go X equals room width divided by 2. Y equals room height divided by 2. Now here's where it's going to get funky. We're going to say X, no, image X scale equals room width divided by 2. We're just going to fill up the screen with this. Image Y scale is room height. Wait, is that right? Height divided by 2. No, it's going to equal 0. What am I doing? Equals 0. We want it to be at 0 at this point. It's going to explode up. And I'm going to add 2 explosions so it's louder. And I'm going to leave this as a cliffhanger because I'm running out of time here. Okay, but this will be pretty cool. Alright, subscribe and I'll see you real soon. Okay, bye-bye.